Hi guys, my name is Caroline and we're back again like never before with a very interesting international dish all the way from India. We're going to make garlic butter naan. Stay tuned for more. Make sure you subscribe, give me that like, share this video. Yes. Making garlic butter naan is so easy and I'm going to show you the ingredients first. We have 2.5 cups of flour, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, some coriander, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2.5 teaspoons of dry yeast, 1 egg, some cloves of garlic, and ½ cup of water. Make sure it's warm. The first thing we're going to do is combine our water and our sugar and our yeast, and we're going to let this form a foam and let the yeast soften. This will take around 15 minutes. As our yeast is softening, we're going to work on our garlic butter. So we're going to cut our you just grate your garlic. So the next thing we're going to do is, in a pan, we're going to put our butter, and make sure you put your on medium heat. We're going to put our garlic until they are sizzling. As it cooks for a minute, we're going to cut our coriander into small pieces. This is what we are going to apply on our naan and brush it all over it. It makes it so sweet. So we're going to add this into our garlic. And it's done. So we're going to set this aside for basting. I'm gonna put it aside. Yeah, it looks good. It smells amazing. As you can see, our yeast has completely softened. Look at this, it looks so good. So we're going to mix our flour I'm gonna do 2 cups. Going to put our yogurt, plain yogurt. Our salt, and then we're going to mix our remaining 1 tablespoon of butter. We're going to mix with our egg. I'm going to mix this up. After mixing our egg and butter, I'm going to pour it to the mixture and mix everything together. Kneading your dough, we're going to put some oil in a bowl, like 1 teaspoon. Then we're going to put our dough inside and cover it with a towel. We're going to let this double for in size, maybe for an hour. So we cover that. After 30 minutes to an hour are over, as you can see, our dough has doubled in shape. We're going to cut this into 6 pieces. We're going to roll out each piece. You can just put it in flour, then just roll it out like this. Our skillet over high heat. And then you're going to take 1 piece and then roll it out in an oval shape. So make sure your surface is well flat. So make sure then you're going to flour your rolling pin. So we're going to do this in an oval shape. Once your skillet is hot, we're going to cook our naan until it bubbles. It forms large bubbles for like 1 to 2 minutes. You're going to cook just like that. As it cooks, we're going to work on another one. Once it forms these large bubbles, we're going to turn this to the other side. Yeah, it looks so good. Look at that. Make sure it has that golden brown. Give it that oval shape. Roll out. And you do this for all your naan. Make sure it is a nice oval shape. So we're gonna put this to cook on a high flame Look at that, a nice oval shape. Look at that, looks so good. Amazing. Once it's done, we're going to plate that, and then going to put our another one. I'm gonna repeat this for all our naan. Let it form that bubble, those